Yes, hello and welcome to chapter 7 of this content monetization class. I believe you have looked at all the different modules that we have considered before now, and you have consistently followed the principles that are contained therein. Now, the next thing we want to go for, like you can see on your screen, is how we can schedule and post content on YouTube. Now, having understood our niche, having known what you're going to post, having known how to make the video, having created the video, either you created the video by showing your face or you created a faceless video, the next thing you want to do is to actually make your post. Before now, it is good to actually make your post directly and it goes to YouTube. But right now, YouTube wants to understand and learn from your video. They want to know what your video is all about. Therefore, it is very good for you to schedule your post so that when your post is going to appear online. Now, there are some posts that you don't actually just put online like that, like this video that I'm going to put up online very soon. It is not a free video. It is not even a member-only video. My channel is monetized. Therefore, I can decide that only the members that are subscribed and they are paying every month for my videos should have access to it. In that case, those of you that are in my content monetization class will not have access to it. But because I want you to have access to it, then I will make the video unlisted. If I want the video to actually come to only few people, then I will just add their emails and say, these are the people alone that I want the videos to go for. So how do I schedule my video? Don't forget, you can actually use the YouTube Studio on your phone, that is using the YouTube Studio app, or you can use the YouTube Studio on your PC. Now, it is best that you use a combination of PC and that of your phone. The reason is that there are some features that are not available on the YouTube Studio app, but are available on the app on mobile. I mean, the app on the system. So it's better that you actually do that. So when you are creating content, make sure that you're also using your PC as well. So now I have a video that I just made and I want to upload that video. I'm going to show you how I will do that right now. Now on this screen, this is my channel. This is the home page of this channel. This is the home page of this channel. That is what you have on the home page of this channel. Now, I posted a video today. One of them has about I think less than a minute of a particular content that is copyrighted. So it's saying that video cannot be monetized. So I brought down that video and then posted another one. And that other one is the one you are seeing right now. So if I want to actually post a video, what I'm going to do is to come to create. This create can allow me to go live. This create can allow me to go live, or I can actually upload video. So what I want to do is to upload video. Now you can actually create a post too. So let's say, for example, I want to create a post on the astronaut that just returned back to Earth, and then I have an image of something I want to post, and then I want to list, I want to put in the content that is there. I want to put it the hyperlink of the video I just made. I want to put it there. I can create a post. So the next thing I want to actually do is to upload video. So I'm going to click on it. It will ask me to select the file of the video. So that video is actually in a file here on Zoom, and then let me look at it. This is not the one. This should be it, and then this is the video. Now I want to rename this video before I actually make the post. So the title of this video is how to create beautiful thumbnails for YouTube monetized channels. I'm not just talking about channels alone, or to monetize your channel. I'm talking about YouTube monetize channel, or I can say for YouTube monetization. So that is what I have there, and then I'm going to open it. So this video will be uploaded, and the upload is going to go in sequence. Now, I want you to take note of the following things. Now, when I created this video, right now, you see that there are some description that came in here. This description that came in here are the different prototype that I have already written down. I already put it when I was setting up my video, when I was setting up my channel, that I want this template to always show up. You can see 1 hour consultation, 30-minute consultation, subscribe to my channel, follow me, and all of that. Now, because I don't want all of these ones, all these, because of all these hashtag, I don't want them to be associated with this video. So I'm going to remove them. I'm going to remove them. There are so many, so I'm going to remove them right now. I don't want it to be associated with this video because once they are associated with this video, it's going to affect the performance of this video. So I want them to be off. I want to knock them off this video so I can um, remove them one after the other, or I just highlight them and delete them. So because they've been there for a long time, so let me just wipe them off because I don't want to. That's the first thing I'm going to do to remove them away. They were useful when YouTube algorithm was targeting, associating your channel with the type of videos you made. So I made a lot of hyperlinks that shows the type of video I actually make. So that when people make search on YouTube, they'll be able to come down with my own video. So that is what I did here. And then, but right now, I don't want them to be associated with it again. So I want to remove them. So right now I have done that. I'll be sure that all those ones have gone. So the next thing I want to do now is to actually make a description of the video I have just created. Don't forget, I must actually look for title, a beautiful title. Now, this video is an how-to video. It is a tutorial. It is a guide. So because I have created, I named this video before I uploaded it. I named it as how to create beautiful thumbnail for my YouTube monetized channel. The next thing that is going to happen is that it is going to pick it up for me automatically as if the name is this, the title is this. So in the file of YouTube or in the database or in the server of YouTube, that's the same thing it's going to actually name it as. So if I just left it as, I can't even remember the name that was there before, one on specific name, maybe A or B or video 204. If I just left it as video 204, it is going to impact the performance and the views of this video. So always ensure that you rename your video in the title of what it is, because YouTube is a search engine. People are now using YouTube to search. People will not go to YouTube and say, okay, I just want something, except the ones that are there. Now, look at what is happening now. Because this video have passed the check. I've passed the check. Now, it's bringing for me the most attractive part of this video that can be used for the thumbnail. That is what is bringing here. That is what is bringing here. So, and I'm going to work on getting a thumbnail that is similar to this, showing me that this is about the attractive thing. So now, let me now name the title. So the first thing is that you need to create a very good title. This is a tutorial. Let me say beginner tutorial. Now, another thing again I can do is to go and search at Google Trends. to actually know whether this topic is a topic that people will get or they want to get. And I can also go to YouTube. Let me just open YouTube somewhere, and then I'll just open youtube.com and see what people are actually searching for when it comes to Canva thumbnails. So whatever it brings for me is what is going to be associated with my own example. So let's say Canva thumbnails. So look at it now. It's saying these are the things I'm going to put together for my own editing, for my own topic. It's saying Canva thumbnail tutorial, Canva thumbnail tutorial mobile, Canva thumbnail design, Canva thumbnail for YouTube, Canva thumbnail editing. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put everything together. Canva thumbnail tutorial for mobile and PC for YouTube. I'm going to put everything together. Canva thumbnail tutorial. Canva thumbnail tutorial. That's what I'm going to put for YouTube. So I've gotten a topic now. You can see it's even better than what I have before. So the first thing is to say Canva thumbnail tutorial for YouTube. You can see I have YouTube monetized channels. So let me change this. YouTube is one word. YouTube monetized channel. So let me also now go for thumbnails alone. Let me see what is going to come up if I just type thumbnails alone. Thumbnails. So don't forget, I want to say for PC or for video. So I can say thumbnail tutorial, YouTube Canva, thumbnail for short, in thumbnail tutorial, thumbnail design. So I can see thumbnail tutorial, YouTube Canva. So I've put everything together now. I want to put another to just make sure that they are seeing it anyway. Tutorial, YouTube, Canva, mobile. Can say mobile. Now, I want to remove one word. This is a space, a big space. So I already got it now. So that is what I want. So I will now explain what I want to come up here. This place is one of the best things that I can do to make my video to actually be very, very good. So that my video will not just go out, my video will not be one of those videos that will be under the pack. Under the pack. I don't want my video to be under the pack. So I'm going to explain briefly this tutorial for Canva app and PC to design thumbnail can help to design thumbnails using Canva app for free. Canva can help you increase your click-through rates, CTR, click-through rate, CTR, by, so you're going to type everything that you actually see as importance of that thing there. Now, some people used to put hashtag here. In some cases, it is good, but in most cases, it's not good. Once you put hashtag, the hashtag you put in the description will be automatically picked by YouTube and put inside this space when you publish this video. So there's no need for you to be putting hashtag inside the title. But sometimes when you are making short videos, you can actually push it there. So let me just say Canva help you to increase your click-through rate by creating beautiful and attractive thumbnails that attract more eyeballs to your videos. So more eyeballs to your videos. So that's what we have here. I can always add some other information. So I can always add some other information that is there. So right now, I want to now add my hashtag. And I must make sure my hashtag are not something that would, my hashtag number one must be related to the topic. So number one, I'm going to use the hashtag of Canva thumbnail. Canva thumbnail. There are over 1,000 videos on it already. 676 channels are talking about it. So instead of doing that, I will just say Canva thumbnail tutorial, because those are the things I'm putting up there. So now I've done that. Who are the people that will be using it? Content creators, new content creators, or video creation. But the next thing is that I want to say that I want to create thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. I want people to talk about YouTube thumbnail. When they are talking about YouTube thumbnail, I need a YouTube thumbnail. So YouTube thumbnails, that's the next thing I'm going to talk about. YouTube thumbnail. So I have YouTube thumbnail. I can now say YouTube thumbnail editor. YouTube, because I must just select the first three. The first three. The first three are the best thumbnail. I must select the best out of it. So YouTube, let's say YouTube thumbnail design. That's the next thing I'm going to use, YouTube thumbnail design. So when I'm done with that, you can see a lot of people have also talked about it, but then I can now say how to create YouTube thumbnail. People have talked about it too, how to create YouTube thumbnail. So I can just say how to create thumbnail. How to create thumbnail. People have also talked about it. Then people have also talked about how to create thumbnails on mobile, to create, let me say, free thumbnail. So I have it like that. So let me just say how to create thumbnail on mobile. So, but some other people are searching for some things. You can see they say thumbnail design, thumbnail for YouTube videos and all of that. So I can also include that and say thumbnail for YouTube videos, thumbnail for YouTube, thumbnail for YouTube. Only a few people have done that. Let me now also say thumbnail for YouTube video. Somebody said thumbnail tutorial. In fact, a lot of people have talked about that one. So don't let me go there. For YouTube video. So now, because I want everything to be associated with me, I'll put my name and then say file this someone. So when anybody search for it, it's going to actually come with it. Now let's go to the other part of the design. Now I've done all of this. The next thing is for me to be able to choose the thumbnail. I'll create the thumbnail now, I'll show you, and then select the playlist. Now, this thing is under this playlist of YouTube monetization. I have some other ones that are here, some of the things that I talk about. So now, this video, because it is not made for kids, and I've already set it in my channel that I don't make videos for kids. I don't make videos for kids, so it's going to allow me there. Now, but what I want to do next is to quickly design a thumbnail, and I want to use something like this. So now I'm going to the file where I can create a thumbnail. Let me ask for a thumbnail. I can go to create design, but let me go for a very beautiful thumbnail. Let me just say thumbnail. Thumbnail is always of this size. So YouTube thumbnail, and I want to select the most beautiful thumbnails. I want the most beautiful thumbnails that are there. So can you join me to actually select the best thumbnail that would help get the attention of the people to this thing? Because I just want the best. I just want the best, and I want something that will actually be very, very attractive to everybody that is going to be seeing this video. And you will want to pause and then look at it. So I want to bring out something that is actually very attractive, and I want to show my face somehow in it. I want to show my face in it. I've used some of these templates before. So, okay, so this one that I saw here, let me use this. Let me use this one that I have here. So I can always customize it because YouTube has even selected it for me. And I want to use this now. So yellow and bright template is what I want to use. So let me bring this up now and see how I can use it. So number one, I have to delete this. This person is showing highball and it's a picture of excitement. So let me see if I can also get out that picture of excitement or picture of surprise or shock. Picture of excitement or that of shock. So while that is loading, let me quickly edit this. Let me say create. Can always remove this, edit this. As I've mentioned in the videos in the past, I've taught you how to create beautiful thumbnails. So you should be able to create beautiful thumbnails. So I will just say YouTube thumbnails. That's what I want here. So thumbnails. So how to create YouTube thumbnail. So that's what I want here. And then let me go and search for excitement images. So it will load. It will load. I want some excitement images. So what I'm just going to do when I'm done with that is to just insert it right there. And I'm going to use it when I do that. So allow it to load, allow it to load, allow it to load, allow it to load. So you must actually have a good internet. So let me use this. For example, this one is showing shocking. Just that my eyes did not come out like the eyes of that person. So like I explained before, you're going to remove the background. You're going to remove the background. And once the background is removed, you can retouch that image. Retouch it and edit it a little. When you retouch it, so now I have it now. So I have it now and I can now put it there myself. What is there? What is going on? So it is removed. So let me create this. So I think I have something related to surprise already. So just want to make sure it is really, really surprising. So right now I have this. So, and I think the video is bright, but let me make it, I mean, the image is bright. Let me make it a little bit bright. So I'll come to adjust. You can do the same thing on mobile. So it's coming out very well, making it very bright. So that is it now. So that is it. So that's what you have now. And then I will now edit this because this is also matters. Anything you're uploading on YouTube. So let me see how to create beautiful thumbnails. Create YouTube thumbnail for free. So on Canva. So you can create YouTube channel for free on Canva. So I'm going to download it. So let's download. I'm going to download it. So already I don't have to bother to rename it after downloading it again because it's going to download in the name that I have used for it. So download it right now. And then once I've downloaded it, so it's downloading and it's going to come up now. So once it has downloaded, I'll go back again to the place where I want to upload it. So I'll go back right now. I will now come here. You can see how I have turned what you have there. I'll come to the downloads. Already I've created this. I've almost replicated what is there. And then you have it like that. So what I want to do now is to upload it and it's already uploading. So let it upload. Once it upload, fine, it has upload. So create YouTube thumbnails. Create YouTube thumbnails. So what I think I can do is to have made it free, to say free YouTube thumbnails. So I think I need to just edit that. I want people to know that it is free to create free YouTube thumbnails. I want it to be free. So what I need to do is to add text and then add a background on the text a little. So I want people to know that you can actually create a free YouTube thumbnail. So what I'm going to do to show a little bit of expertise in graphic design now is that this free, I'm going to bring it here, then add effect to it. I'm going to add effect to it. I will make it to be red. The same red I have here, I'll make it to be red. So I'll make it to be red, having a red color. So, and then maybe having a little bit of white background. What I have here is Bibas. So I also make this one to be Bibas. So I can search for it so that it will have the same thing, Bibas. So once it has Bibas, I'm going to go for that. The network is poor, so let me just go for that now. Let me go to the effects. I want to make a little background to be there so that it's going to come out a little bit better. So that's what I want to do now. So it's getting slow. I'm wondering why. But let me adjust or maybe switch a network. So let me adjust or switch to a network that is better so that I can have a better delivery this time. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. I'm trying to adjust the network so that I can have this better delivery. I want the free button to just show there. I want the free button to just show. So if that happens, it will help all the adjustments I want to make to be faster. Okay, so I want, all right, so I'm going to share my screen back. I'm going to share my screen back. So welcome back. So what I want to do right now is to be able to actually adjust this free that I want to put there and create a BBAS, something that is related to what I have there. So let me make it this. So I hope it will work. So that's what I have already. So let me increase this and then increase the size. Free. So now I'll go to effects and then I want a background. This background that I want the background to be, let me choose a yellow background. I'll choose this here and then try to choose a yellow background. Then the roundness of the background, I don't want it to be so much. I don't want the spread to be so much. So I want just this, a little, then roundness. I want it to be round actually. I want it to be round. So let me put it here and see if it's going to add to the beauty. So I think it's adding to the beauty right now, but I just want something free. So I want it to be to show that free YouTube thumbnails. Create free YouTube thumbnails. That's on Canva. Now, so I can re-download this. It's going to re-download it, and I want something different when it download it. So I want to re-download this and then this. Go to download, go back and re-download it. So I'll choose the new download when I want to upload. So I'm going to go back now to the YouTube video and then come back here. It's even good for us to do like this. Go to the options, say change. You click on change, and then I will now pick the new one. The new one has the free on it, and then I'll pick it, and then it's going to upload it. Once it uploads it, or while it's doing that, I'm going to now come to next. The next thing is that this is a monetized channel. So I'll pick whether I want it to be monetized or not. Now, once I say it, I want it to be monetized, there are things that I must do. I must actually pick which type of monetization I want. Do I want mid-roll ads during my video? That is the advert that will show in the middle of it. Do I want it? Do I want to manage my ad slots? For example, let's say I don't want the ad to be so much. I want the ad to just come at a particular point. So I can manage it there. So then I can go back if I don't want that. The following ad format are options for your video: pre-roll, that is before it rolls; mid-roll, in the middle of the video; post-roll. Then if I want non-skippable ads, if I want skippable ads, if I want display ads, all of those things will be applicable to my video. Now, this is where I need to rate it. What are the things that are in my video? Do I have inappropriate language, adult content, or any of these things? Do I have it? Harmful content, unreliable claims? Do I have it on my video? If I don't have it, I will say I don't have any of them, none of the above. If I say none of the above, I will now submit my rating. I'll submit my rating here. So I'll submit my rating, it will rate it, so it will see, it will check through rating save. Meanwhile, YouTube has already checked this video since I uploaded it. So at this point in time, the checks have been completed. Now, the next thing is that I can add subtitles. Subtitles are the captions. If you have captions in TST version, you can add it here. If I want an end screen means that what I want to promote a related video. So if this video is going to be top performing and I want to add another video to it at the end, I'm going to add it here, but I'm not interested in that now. What I want to do is to add cards. I want to promote a related content during the video. So I will now pick a video here so that once anybody click on it, it's going to bring them to it. So let's say, for example, I want a particular video. Okay, let's say I want this video to show up. Whenever anybody is watching it, it will show up this video on how to get remote jobs. It's going to show it up. So I will now say save. I will now say save. Now, but another thing again I can do, I can quickly edit this video. If you look at it, let me play this video. If, for example, yeah, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are watching my video from. Today, we are looking at how we can create beautiful thumbnails for our videos. So that is it. So I don't have to edit anything again. So I will just click on save. So it's going to take me to the next thing. Now, the next phase is very, very important. This video has been automatically saved as private. I think it is best for you to leave it as private. Whenever you're uploading video, always upload as private. If you have any music on this video, it will tell you copyright issues. If it is not suitable for ad, it will tell you, but here, no issues found, no issues found. So you now click on next. Now, it is best that you put the video in unlisted. Unlisted means anyone with the video link can watch your video. Select this tip and wait a couple of hours to see if any monetization or visibility issues are found. Then publish your video. It's always best. Wait for a couple of hours before you publish the video. So YouTube will have gone through it, although they have told me that there are no issues, but they still want me to wait for a couple of hours. So now, or I schedule this video, select a date to make this video to go public. So I'm going to allow this video to take some hours. I can just save it this way. Now, if I want everybody that is member only, everyone can find your video, but only members can watch it. So I only pick member only. People can find it, but they cannot watch it. So now, if I want public, everybody can watch this public. I can also set it as an instant premiere if I'm making a video premiere. Me and my viewers can watch it together at the same time. Now, I can copy this link and send it wherever, and that's how you do it. And then you share it with your social media or with people that you want to show or share your video with. It's very, very important that whenever you make videos, you share it with people you want them to see. That's one of the ways of sharing your video. So now that this video is here as unlisted, I can leave it here or I can schedule it to go live. So how do you schedule a video to go live? You can select a date. So let's say, for example, now this time is where this video is being recorded right now. You have this March 21st, 12 a.m. I want it to go live. I can decide that, okay, I want this video to be live on this date. But let's say I want this video to be live on 21st and I want it to be around this time. So let's say I want it to be around 1:45. I want the video to go live that time. By that time, it will have gone through every of the processes it needs to go through, and then it will do. So I then schedule it, can make it unlisted. But first, let me make this video unlisted for hours first. I want to make it unlisted before I even do anything. So let me make this video unlisted. Later, I will come back to now um, push it for schedule. So it will stay for about 2 or 3 hours more. So I can say save. So I can say save and then the video is saved. So that is what you need to do. The video is currently unlisted. It can be seen by anybody. So if I now come here, I can come and see the content of this video. Any other editing or anything that I want to do to it, I can do to it at that time. So you can see I have so many videos that are unlisted. Some of them are private for my students that are here. Please let me know what you have learned in this video in the comment section of this video, and make sure you like this video. If you are watching this video as a student of my YouTube content monetization or Facebook content monetization in the future, please kindly drop what you have learned in this video in the comment section, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.